Yeah, please.
Okay. Maybe I'll start with how to do technical analysis. I mean, I already covered, but let's refresh and how to drill down the analysis. Yeah, maybe that will help. Quickly, I will go, and then we can share the how to draw the fib and all. Yeah.
Yeah,
Oh, okay,
Let
bro. Okay.
let me know if you can see the screen, trading view.
yeah, yeah,
Okay. So let's do analysis on Solana USDT. Uh, this is naked chart. I don't have any level, so I'm on weekly level now. I mean, I'm on weekly time frame. And what you need to do, you need to draw the levels. What are the weekly levels here? So if you can see here, this is the level from where uh, market got the rejection, and then again it act as a support, not long enough, but then again broke the support. So this is the weekly level. I will mark this as a weekly. Yeah, this is a weekly level. And then similarly, let's draw the weekly level for the upside. So this is a weekly level from where price got the rejection, which is aligned with this weekly level. Okay. You can stop me if you can't understand, or if you have any question, you can stop me. Okay, I can see this is the one weekly level from where this is a level from where we got a bounce, and again it act as a support, and then we saw the another rally. So I'll mark this as a weekly level. Okay, so these are the corresponding or the recent weekly levels from where the prices can bounce. There is no guarantee that prices can bounce, but it can probably bounce. So we must have this level mark on the chart. Okay. Then we will go to the daily time frame and mark the similar level. So if you can see, weekly and daily is almost same. So I'll not mark this as a daily level, but this one is the daily level, which act as a support and resistance. So I'll mark this as a daily level. This is the daily level from where prices got the rejection. Daily level, and this is another daily level. Okay. So these are the higher time frame level, horizontal level. So what I can do, I will quickly use the object tree. So I will create a folder here. Here I will mark this as a higher time frame levels. And I will keep all these levels into this folder. Okay. Now, reason I did this is that we can quickly switch on and switch off all this level. Yeah. If you can see, with one click, I can switch on and switch off the level. Any question till here?
No.
No. Okay. So I will switch on these levels. So a rule of thumb, you need to remember that price will always rotate from one level to the another. So let's say now here is the weekly level. Now what will probably can happen, that if we see the bounce, we can see the rejection here, and prices can rotate to the next level, which is this daily level. If prices get the acceptance above this weekly level, we can probably rotate to the daily level. So market will always seek the liquidity, which is around these levels, higher time frame level. So it's just a concept you need to remember that prices can rotate from one level to the another. So now prices got the acceptance below this level. Now we can see that we can definitely, or we can say that prices might visit this level, daily level, which is around 118, and can see the potential bounce. So based on this level, you can take the trade, but let's see the further analysis. So these are the level, and let's say this is a higher time frame chart, and you want to do the swing trading. Okay, so as you can see here, uh, from PA perspective, price action perspective, what is happening? You need to find first what what prices are doing, whether it's doing the higher high and higher low, or whether prices are doing lower low and lower high. So in short, whether prices is in uptrend or the downtrend. So you can you can switch back to the weekly level and determine what is the trend here. So as you can see, prices are in uptrend on a weekly level. Any question? Because prices are making higher low and higher high. Yeah. So we can conclude that if if we don't break this level, okay, which is this higher low, we should look for the next higher low level, and we can look for the another high. Correct? Because prices are making higher and higher low. Right? Hello?
Yes, yes, bro.
Am I audible?
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. So
Yes, sir.
this is from higher time frame perspective, like a weekly perspective, that we are searching for the next higher low. So and our invalidation should be around this level. So unless and until we don't close 78.37 on weekly basis, we must look for the buy, not for the sell. Yeah, this is on the weekly time frame. Okay. So this is just analysis I am doing. Okay, it's not a. I mean, it's not a trade idea yet. Where to buy is another question, but it's just what prices are doing on the weekly time frame. Okay, on the daily time frame, what what is this? Okay, from this higher high, higher high, higher high, higher low. From here, prices broke. Yeah, so we can say that on the a daily time frame, we are bearish, right? As of now. Okay. Now we are looking for the buy buying, right? Because what we can say from swing trading perspective, that on the daily we are bearish, on the weekly we are bullish. But where we can buy? Okay. So if prices, let's say this is the bounce, and we gave the lower low, and let's say prices are doing like this. Okay, then we can say that prices started making on the higher time frame or the daily time frame, higher high and higher low. In that case, we can consider that on the weekly time frame there might be a chance that we might set up a higher low on the weekly time frame, right? Because then on the daily time frame we are started making higher high and higher low. Yeah, unless and until we don't do such a things on the daily time frame, we can consider that a daily time frame continue to go in a downtrend, right? Okay, so if you want to buy Solana, now what is happening here? From this level, we made huge huge rally, right? And this is just a pullback. Yeah. So if I use the fib level for this, let's say from this level, prices made a higher high. Okay, then I draw the fib level, fib retracement. I go from here, I draw from the low to the high, and generally the bounce area is 61.8 level and the 78.6. Okay, so we must look what is happening here. If we see bounce here around this 61.8 and we start making higher high and higher low, then I will take a long position. Okay, the another scenario can be if if we go in near to 78.6 78.6 and we started making higher high and higher low, then I will look for the long. Unless and until, you should not look for the long opportunities. Okay, now it's in downtrend. Okay, let's say we went below this level. Okay, then in that case we must draw the fib from where the uptrend started. So this is one uptrend, and the another uptrend is what? This from this level, prices made huge uptrend, right? So I will draw the fib level from here to here. And where is the 61.8 level? This is the 61.8 level, around 89. So my trading idea could be one, if we see bounce here on a daily time frame, if we see bounce here 61.8, and we must see if we have any daily or weekly level aligned with this fib level or not. So if you see here, we have not exactly but more or less similar, this daily level aligning with the 61.8. So this will act as a good support, and if we see the higher and higher low on the daily time frame, then we can buy it here. Yeah, if we lose 61.8, so let's say if you want to have tight risk management, then what you can do, so you can place bet here, and you don't want to wait for the higher and higher low, then in that case you wait uh for the prices to come around daily level, which is aligned with 61.8, and keep a stop loss just below this week around 110, and you look for the at least 1 is to 3 or 1 is to 4, because this is swing trading and you can hold for the longer term. This can be one idea. Another idea can be that if you draw the fib level from here to here, where is the 61.8? This is another 61.8 level. I will uh, delete this level, and this is a 61.8 level which is aligned with the weekly level. And on the weekly time frame, we saw that this is a really important pivot that must hold. Otherwise, then on the weekly again it will start the downtrend, and we will have a bear market here. So I think this region must hold in order for the uptrend to continue. So another idea can be, I will take a long position here and I will keep a stop loss here. Let the stop loss hit, doesn't matter. If it hit here, don't worry. If it comes down to here, then you will buy. So where we will buy? Here you will buy. My stop loss can be around just, let's say, give some room, $70, and it must be on the closing basis. Okay, on the daily time frame, prices must close below this level, and then look for the 1 is to 4, or maybe you can aim for the high of weekly level, because what is your thesis is this is just a weekly lower high, higher low, and prices must go for the another higher high in order to this uptrend intact. Okay, then you can, even if you bet, let's say one let's say you you bet on this and you keep a tight stop. Here you give 1 hour, here you give 1 hour, and how much are you are getting? Around 11 hour you are getting. So even if you lose 1 or 2 or 3 times, then also you will earn huge money, because this is a huge trade, right? 10 or 11 or it's a like you will get this opportunity once in a 6 months or once in a 8 months. So you must take this opportunity at any point of time. So my thesis generally is on the 61.8 level. So I have basically I do the swing trading and also the short term trading, like 15 minute. I will go how to do the short term trading, but this is a thesis how to go long for the swing trading, or the maybe you can say that on the for the hold position. So you must see from where the uptrend started. So this is from this point the uptrend started, and we are just retracing and uh, draw the fib level from low to the high. Look for the buying opportunity at 61.8. If it doesn't hold, let the stop loss get hit, and see next uptrend from where the uptrend started. I can see that from here uptrend started. I will draw the fib level from here to the this point and see where is the 61.8, and I will see whether is there any confluence around this 61.8. I can see that there is a daily weekly level around this level, and maybe you can also use the, let's say, EMA, or let's say Anchor web app, or any other method. Try to find maximum confluence here, and if prices getting a bounce here, then bet it. So this is a really good level to bet on the higher time frame. Any questions? This is a fib level. These are my levels. So this is a fib retracement 0, 38.618, 60, 0.618, 0.786. This you can ignore, but these are the main levels. Any
Only we should look for this 0.618 only, right? Or remaining that values no need required.
Sorry?
61.8 only, na? We have to look for.
Yeah,
Remaining
it's a
value.
region. Generally, I keep 0.618 and 0.66. Okay, so this is the region. So this, you can say, this is a region which must hold. Now you can see this region is aligning with this daily level, right? Also the weekly level. So I think we should not go below $80 for this uptrend to continue. I don't think we can go, but anything can happen. But this is my analysis, and what I did, I have a buy order here around 80, 88 and 85, huge buy order, and I also bought one lot here, not much heavy size, but only the small order around 140. Okay, but you can follow this technique like strict stop loss with 1 hour. uh, you can lose, but if you lose, then look for the another 61.8 from where the uptrend started.
So in
I
this
see.
case, we are bullish.
Sorry?
Now in daily, we are in bearish actually.
Yes, we are
So
in bearish trend.
bearish, we can wait for 61.8 or 0.66, and we can go for a long opportunity for building.
Yeah,
Correct.
yeah, you can go, there are two ways to enter. You can simply enter, let's say, you don't want to wait for the 1 day time frame to change to higher high and higher low. You can switch back to the 1 hour time frame and see whether you're making higher and higher low or not. If you started making the higher and higher low, you can be aggressive because then your risk to reward, you will have better risk to reward. Or another trader, what he can do, he can wait for the higher high and higher low to form, because he is more conservative. Then he can enter uh, then he can enter after making higher and higher low. What the conservative can do, let's say this is daily time frame. So if prices goes like this, then there must be some retracement, right? So what he can do, like draw the fib level from here to here, because we made a higher high and higher low. Then he can buy around this 68.8. Then he look for the higher opportunity. So he didn't buy the top, but he bought the retracement of this leg, because this leg is a higher high of uh, of this downtrend, because from here the downtrend started and we started breaking this level. Then this trader, what he can do, he can buy the retracement of this leg. So this leg is started and then he can look for the buying opportunity here. This is a one method. Another method is simply buy around 61.8 level. At least you should wait for the, let's say, 1 hour trend to change. Once that 1 hour trend change, let's say we are here, and this is a 1 hour resistance or the lower high. So this is a higher lower 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 high, and prices started making like this on a 1 hour. Then what you can do, again, you draw the fib level from this low to the this high and try to buy around 61.8. Then you are buying the retracement of 1 hour, and your thesis is that uh, on the daily time frame we might see the break of the trend and we might go for the higher level. Yeah, any confusion on this part, or is too much?
Yeah, got it.
Yeah, there are different technique that depends on your personality, whether you want to buy the bottom or you want to wait for the prices to tell you that the uptrend has started and you want to buy this level. So I think buying like this is it has a good risk to reward. Then what you can do on the 1 hour, if prices started making higher and higher low, and then uh, you simply wait for the 61.8 level to hit. If it doesn't, you don't need to FOMO or something. You just keep the alert and then try to buy it here. And then where you would be your stop loss? Your stop loss would be around break break off this lower low. Yeah, and then you aim for the like you keep on holding your profit, and then maybe get 5 or 6 or 10 or anything as per your wish. But this is how you can buy the bottom or the maybe the uptrend. Yeah, this is from the
What are the other values in Fib? It is significance or what? Somewhere I read 0.5, it is kind of reversal.
uh
Some,
no, actually what happens, like big algorithm, big institute they buy at around the 61.8. So the thing is, now if you can see, let me show you how the 61.8 level respected. Okay, I will remove all this. Maybe I will. Okay, I will show you how the 61.8 get respected. Okay, so
yeah.
this is a one leg. Okay, I will draw the fib level from this level to this level. Okay, so here it didn't get the respect. It broke through the 78.6, because this is a really high. This is a strong uptrend, and in the strong uptrend we generally goes around 78.6, but I will show you how it get respected. And this is, it didn't touch 61.8. Okay. Here it got rejected at 38.8.
Okay.
Just a minute. During this leg, what happens? It got the rejection around this level. Okay, 61.8 around this level. So always remember, let's say if you are trading on the lower time frame, and your thesis is, let's say now this is a huge plus and you want to sell again, you must have the short setup around this level, and your stop loss must be around 78.6, above 78.6, and you always target for the 1:2. Okay, this is the ideal setup for you.
Can we just look on to this Bitcoin right now? Because
Yes,
now the BTC market is
but yeah,
going
let
down.
me complete this. It's
Hmm.
fine. Market is not going anywhere. Why you want to sell it here? Because if you see the previous price action, we have a huge downtrend, right? And you want to sell, short sell. You cannot sell it here or here or here. You must sell on the bounce. Okay, I will show you, maybe it's a good example. Now let's consider this uptrend. Okay, now from here prices are up. Okay, and now you want to buy. So what can be the setup? You draw the fib from here to here, and where you can buy at the 61.8. Where is your stop loss? Below this one. So what can be the trade? Long position. Here is the buy. Here is your stop loss, and you look for the 1:2. Here is the 1:2 completed. You exit it. Yeah. So this is one setup. Let's see, now prices are going higher high, higher low. What you can do? Draw the fib from here to here. Where you can buy? You can buy it here. Long position. Stop loss below this. You aim for the 1:2. 1:2 completed. Target reach. Okay. Another one. Okay. This is a uptrend. I will draw fib from here to here.
So don't wait for any levels. Just 1:2
Sorry?
or 1:3.
Sorry, what you said?
Now you told now. Okay, we are taking a trade, and the profit will be 1:2.
Yes.
We take any level, fib level or daily. No need to check that.
I mean, it's up to you, but generally you exit at the 1:2. Don't be ready initially.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. I'm just showing you the example how it works. Okay. Now here is the uptrend. You buy it here. Maybe you might have the hit the stop loss. No matter. Okay. If let's say if your stop loss gets hit, and then prices come back uh, above this level, then you can enter back. Okay, so this is
Okay.
another winning trade, maybe winning trade or losing trade based on where is your stop loss is. If your stop loss is just below this, then you might not. Okay, so let's say this one. Okay, uptrend
Okay.
from this to this, where
Hmm.
where we got the bounce, where we got the bounce, 61.8. Okay, I am going long here. Stop loss here. I will aim for the 1:2. 1:2 got hit. Yeah.
Hmm. Hmm.
Okay.
Hmm.
Then
Okay.
now what prices are doing here? I mean, once this pivot break, this is the pivot which break. Now we started the downtrend. Okay, this is the downtrend. Now where we can go short, because now our bias has changed to short, right? Now where we can go short, here we can go short. Okay, stop loss just above this, 1:2 or 1:3, depend on what you want. Okay, got it. Okay, I can show you n number of example like this. Okay, and if you follow simple system like you buy at 61.8, but there is one condition, right? The condition is prior trend should be up. Okay, you cannot, let's say you didn't consider this leg and you wait, your bias is short sell. Okay, here 61.8 got the rejection, but it didn't make the higher high and your stop loss might got hit. Why? Because you're trading against the trend. Don't trade against the trend unless you are very experienced. At the start, if you want to be profitable, simply see what is the trend. This is clearly downtrend. You look for the short opportunity. Where you look for short opportunity? You look for at 61.8, not any other places. Okay, there are 1,000 coins. You look for the setup where you are meeting your criteria. It doesn't matter like Solana or anything. Let's consider any other point. Okay, let me show you. You want Ethereum. Okay, let's go for the Ethereum. I am here randomly. Okay, now
And also one more doubt, this fib level, which one we have to take, the recent one or the big swing low to swing high?
I already told you, na. So let's say this is uptrend. Okay, from here uptrend started, right? I mean for this one, for this leg, the start point is this, right? Correct? You are agree? From here the uptrend started. Yeah. Then you draw the fib from here to here. Okay, you buy at 61.8. If it uh didn't get hit, it's fine. You skip the trade. Okay. There are
We
two
have to consider recent one only, recent one only.
recent one. Also, you can.
You
Also,
can try
you
the
can.
fib again from the down, na?
Sorry.
This same one. You
See.
zoom out and
See.
from down
What is?
and from 19 you can grow, right?
Just a minute. What is happening?
Yeah,
You can see my screen.
yeah.
Huh? Hello. Hello. Hello.
Hello. Yeah. We can see the screen.
Yeah, we can share the screen now.
Do you see my screen?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So the thesis is this is uptrend and we must hold the algorithmic 61.8. If it doesn't hold, then see another point. Let's say so if let's say if price would not hold this level, let's assume that prices got the rejection here and prices comes here, then in that case the huge uptrend started from this level, right? From here, the prices got uptrend. So from here to here, I would have drawn the fib level and I would have look for the opportunity, look for the buy opportunity here. But but prices didn't went down. Then you look for the recent uptrend. Okay, from here. Now from here, the uptrend started. From here, uptrend started. You look for the buy opportunity here. And now look what happens here. We got a bounce, but then this is a big bounce and your stop loss might have hit it. No issue. If if you have a plan, you can, I mean, even if your stop loss gets hit, no worry. even if it got hit at 50% of the time or 60 or 70% of point, no problem. But we are following one system. Okay. Now let's look for the here what is happening. Now this point prices are not making higher and higher low, right? Because this is not a uptrend, this is just a sideways price action. Yeah, and we are making the lower low and lower high here. Now what you can do, you draw the fib level from this point, from where the downtrend started. You draw the fib where we got the rejection, 61.8. Your short setup would have been, here is the short sell, here is your stop loss. You aim for 1:2. Yes, 1:2 would have got the target you are looking for.
Sorry, what's the name of the fib tool that you're using?
Sorry,
The name of the Fibonacci tool that you're using. What is it called here on TradingView?
this is the Fibonacci retracement.
Fibonacci retracement, right? And you just okay. Thank you.
This one, Fibonacci
Yeah.
retracement.
Okay. Thanks a lot.
Yeah. So for the downtrend, I'm drawing the fib from high point to the low point, and this is a 61.8. If you are looking for the buy, you need to draw from the low point to the high point. So see, this is a uptrend intacted, and if you would have got here, then your profit take might have happened here. Yeah. So the criteria is simple, and even if you must draw this weekly and daily level, and if you have the confluence level along this fib level, it's a good setup. I might consider that as a really good setup. Yeah. Do you know confluence? What is a confluence? Or I need to explain?
Yeah. Can you explain, please? Yeah.
The confluence is something like, let's say your short trigger is around this level. Okay. So this is the downtrend started and you want to short it here. Okay. Then what you look for around this level, here you look for the another technical setup. Uh, let's say I will draw the let's say I will draw the EMA. Okay, let me draw the EMA indicator. EMA. Okay. EMA. Strategy 21 and 50. Okay. Now we don't have a confluence here, but let's say there is let's say maybe we don't have confluence here for the EMA. Let's look for the confluence. Confluence means there are multiple technical setup which are giving the short signal. Here is the one setup where short setup is at the 61.8, and then you look for whether here we have any weekly level, or whether we have a EMA crossover here, or maybe let's say you are using Bollinger Band, and the Bollinger Band high is here, then you want to enter the short, because there are multiple confluence around this level. That is what the confluence is. Okay. For this price action, we don't have a EMA confluence, but let's say, let me search for another one. Okay. Let me go for the higher time frame. Okay. And then now what exactly is happening? This is a daily level, right? From where? From where? Let's say from here we got a bounce, we got a break of this level, and then here is the back test. Now we have multiple confluence, right? The one confluence is the 61.8 and here is the daily level. And now we have a higher confidence that this level must hold because this is a daily level which act as a resistance now because it was previously support and there is a 61.8 level. So that's why confluence are important, that multiple trader are trying to go short based on this level. Any questions, any confusion? Hello? Yeah, who is raising the hand? Sir.
No, that's it. So good.
Yeah.
No questions from my side. Thanks a lot for the explanation.
Okay. Any so for this, let's say the reason I took this session is that this is the end of the month. So you try this method for next month and let me know what's going on. The only thing is, you know the risk management, right? So let's say I will explain more about the risk management here. Okay. So let's say I want to go short here because the trend is down. This is trend is down and I look for the short opportunity here and my thesis is this level must get the rejection. Okay. And my setup is, this is a short setup and my stop loss is here. Okay. Then here on the short position setup, here you type what is your account size. Your account size can be 1,000, 10,000 or 100K. I don't know what's your portfolio size is, but let's say here is the 1,000 USDT and you want to risk 1% only. Okay, here I type 1% and here I have given the my risk stop loss level, my profit target level, which is here 1:2. And then here, if you see the quantity, here it gives the quantity. Okay. So while buying you or while selling, you must use this quantity, which is 0.045 Ethereum. So what will happen if you sell here and if you go with this quantity, even if your stop loss get hitted, then you will lose only 1% of your portfolio, which is on the, let's say, $1,000, you will lose only $100. And with this risk management, if you follow for the, let's say, 30 trade, 40 trade, 50 trade for a month, then you might be profitable. Definitely you are going to be profitable. Trust me. If you follow this, you definitely gonna be profitable. Only thing is you have to buy, you have to follow one strategy, you have to follow your position size, you have to follow your rule. That's it. You understood this short setup or long setup, how to put the quantity? Or do you want me to explain more on this? If you didn't get, ask me. Hello?
So good. For me, thanks a lot. I'm going in the train now, but cheers.
Sorry?
I said, for me, thanks a lot. Going in the train now, but thanks a lot for the session.
Okay, you're going. Okay.
Yep. Thank you,
Okay.
Sulu. Ciao.
Yeah, bye.
Supra, we understand what you told. Can you just take any chart and just show us what you are all explaining? One shot, like in 1 minute.
Yeah. You want,
Any,
yeah,
anything,
tell
OP,
me.
anything.
Yeah, tell me anything or which one. Let's say pendle. Yeah.
So,
Or you want me to take anything? You tell what coin do you like?
quantum.
No, monthly basis we will analysis like if it is uptrend or downtrend.
Sorry? Hello? I didn't get your question.
Any coin, whatever you told now, na, just show analysis one time.
Yeah. Let's take Bitcoin. Okay.
Okay.
Why not Bitcoin? Okay. I will look for the from short-term perspective. Okay. I am on 1 hour time frame. Now here what is happening? We are simply ranging. Okay. If we have a range bound environment, we have another strategy. I mean only 61.8, but here we don't have any clear trend. But let's look for the previous trend. Okay, because we don't have a trend there. Let's start from here.
Now from weekly we are going to identify the trend, right? So
Correct.
if the trend is trend, then we will go for the long opportunity. Otherwise, we will go for the short
That
opportunity, right?
that part I
This is-
explain about the swing trading. Okay,
Okay.
where you will
Now
buy
just
for the swing
scalping.
trading. Huh?
Now just scalping kind of.
I mean not scalping. I am on 1 hour time frame. Okay. Now
Okay.
you need to check on which time frame you want to trade. Okay. Now I explain you about 1 hour time frame, but it's up to you whether you want to trade on the 1 hour or 15 minute or any time frame. Okay. Now I am explaining you on the 1 hour time frame. Okay. Now let's say from here uptrend started. Okay. From here uptrend started. Okay. We didn't get chance to buy. Okay. We were waiting for 61.8. We didn't get hit. Okay. Now again, I will draw it from where the uptrend started. It started from here. Okay. I will look for the 61.8. It didn't get hit. Okay. Here we didn't get. Now I will simply, yeah, I will simply go from here to here. Yeah, because this is uptrend which continue from here till here. Okay, where I will buy? I will buy at 61.8. This is a buy. This is a stop loss. You go for 1:2. Okay, you might have got one trade. Okay, now let's say this is a consolidation. After that, we have a huge uptrend. Okay, I will draw from fib from here till here. We didn't get any buy level. I mean, we didn't get chance to buy. Here we got a chance, right? 61.8. Then long position, stop loss here. Here is the 1:2. We didn't get profit target, but it's fine. We got a bounce. That's important, but we didn't get our 1:2. Then you will have underwater trade, and you might hit the stop loss or you might not. I don't know what's going to happen here, but this is going to be your trade. Yeah, based on the 1 hour, because your bias is still long. If prices started making, let's say from here started making going down, then where is your gonna be next trade? Your next trade gonna be fib level from this level till I don't know from where the bounce will get. Let's say from here, from let's say 55 level, prices got the bounce. Okay, then where you look for the short, you will look for the short around this level. Yeah, because prices started making lower low on a 1 hour time frame.
Okay.
Maybe I will try, let's say another coin. Which one?
We can take RB, arbiter.
RB.
Yeah.
RB USDT P. Okay. So let's go. Why? We have only this extra? Okay. From starting I am going, okay. Now what is happening? Here on 1 hour, we got higher high. Okay. Now we want to buy.
But now
Yep.
trend is high uptrend, right?
But here we started making higher high, right? With this
Higher,
with this
yeah.
break, we started making higher high, right?
Okay.
Yeah.
No, that confusion is always trade with the trend, right? But we don't know the trend, right? In weekly might it will be in high
No,
uptrend.
but with this, we are not looking for any other thing. We just on the particular time frame, let's say on 1 hour, we are
Okay.
looking whether prices are giving higher high and higher low. That's it. Simple. Okay. That part I explained about the weekly and daily. That is for the swing trading. Okay. Here you can still use the weekly and daily level, but your bias should be based on the higher and higher low on the 1 hour. So I'm trading on the 1 hour. Now, once it breaks this level, because from here we got a flush and we broke this level, my bias simply switch from what? From downtrend to the uptrend. Okay. So I will buy it here. My stop loss might have hit, right? Here stop loss got hit, but again prices came back above 61.8. Yeah, above this. Then again I will buy it here. Once I got one hit, I might have enter here. My stop loss will be below this level and 1:2. 1:2 over. Okay. Then now my bias is long side because we are in uptrend. Okay. On 1 hour. Now I will draw the fib from this level to this level, right? Where we got a support? 61.8. Where you will buy? Here you will buy. Where your stop loss? Here. You look for 1:2. 1:2 got it? Okay. Down. Then again. Okay. Then from here till here. Where you will buy? Here. 61.8. Yeah. Let me know if you are following
So
on.
this trade with the trend in the setup, whatever the time frame we are using, if it is making a higher high and higher low, that's the trend.
That's it. That's it. You don't follow anything. Okay.
Okay.
And here, what I said, you draw the daily and weekly level and try to see whether the daily and weekly level align with this region or not. If it's aligned, then it's well and good. That's another confluence. Okay. So here you might have got the another profit. Okay. Let me draw another one. Okay. From this level till here. Okay. We didn't get 61.8. No, it's fine. Okay. Then another from here till here. We didn't get. It's fine. Then we will move to here till here. We got this trade. Then you would have long it here, stop loss here, 1:2, 1:2 got hit, and you might have exited the trade. Okay. Now, unless and until we don't break this pivot, we are looking for the uptrend. We are looking for the buy side only. Okay. Now this level it's still intact. We look for the buy opportunity from here till here, where we got 61.8. I might have entered on the long position My stop loss is here. 1:2. 1:2. Okay, got it. Another one. From here till here. 78.6. Long here. Stop loss here. You might have hit the stop loss. Then come once it reclaim the 61.8. Enter it. 1:2. Over. Okay. Now let's see this scenario. Okay. Now from this level, the prices gave the higher high, but we started the downtrend. Now your bias is short. We don't have any more long bias. Okay. Look for the short opportunity. We don't have any short opportunity. Look for here. Do we have a short opportunity? No, we didn't get. Okay. Let's look for the another one. For this trend, you might have entered here. It's very, I mean, it didn't hit this level, but if you could have entered it here, you might have, but we haven't got it. Let's assume that we haven't got it. Now, here we didn't get. Simply skip the chart unless and until we don't get here. Here I will keep the alert. If it hit here, I will simply enter stop loss and enter the short position. Here is
And
my
also,
stop loss.
this is an impulsive movement, so we should consider that, or FVG, we should consider at that time.
I don't consider at all. I want to trade only one system. I don't want to mix up fair value gap, ICT or Balana, Bulana. I don't care. I'm just using a simple system. I just wanted. I don't want to be right all the time. I just wanted to follow one simple system, which I can trade over the long term. And if you follow one system, any simple system with strict stop loss with risk management, you can do it. It doesn't matter whether your fair value gap is what and this and that. I don't care. This is my system. If you follow ICT system, you follow it, but follow this rule. Like your stop loss should not be more than 1%. You always take 1:2 or more than 1:2. And if you follow this, you can be profitable. But for this group, I am explaining just that so that you will get idea, or following the simple system also works. That is what my explanation is.
Okay.
How many of you in the call?
I'm here.
Yeah, I'm
I'm-
here. Sweet bhai.
Anup here.
How many people are here? I don't know. But did you understand simple system?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, understood. Sujit bhai, one doubt.
Yes.
Actually, can we do the same setup in multiple time frames, like 50 minutes, 2 hour, any time frame?
Yes.
Or it
Do
should be
anytime.
better if we follow only 1 hour time frame? Which one you prefer?
I mean, I'm using 15 minute also, but for 15 minute, there are, I mean, if you go for the lower time frame, there are multiple fake out signals. Okay. What you can do, what you can do, you can use 1 hour and 15 minute. Okay. So for finding out your bias, you look whether 1 hour is giving higher and higher low, and then on 15 minute, you enter the trade. Got it? What I'm trying to say?
Yeah, got it. So I need to consider the 1 hour trend, then I
Yeah,
need to follow up with the 50 minutes chart.
yes, exactly. So that is
Okay.
like more you can get. I mean, you will have more winning, right? That is what I can say. Okay.
Okay, sure.
And if you follow, you can, yeah, you can consider the let's say 4 hour trend, 1 hour trend, and 15 minute you can trade on the this one. Let's say you get confusion signal. Let's say on 4 hour you are in uptrend, in 1 hour you are in downtrend, and 15 minute you are in uptrend. Then you skip the trade. So, but my advice for newcomers is follow 1 hour or 2 hour and follow the higher high and higher low. For those who want to trade daily, you can switch back to 15 minutes. But only thing is on the 1 hour, you follow the trend. Whether on the 1 hour, if it's giving higher and higher low, then form your bias. And on the 15 minute, you enter the trade only at the 61.8, not anywhere, not at 38.2, not at 0.5, only exact enter at the 61.8, and your stop loss must be above 78.6. Okay, those who can take more losing trade, so those who doesn't care about winning all the time, what you can do, let's say you enter let's say you enter it here, okay, 61.8, and those who wanted to keep a really small stop loss, those, what you can do, you can keep a stop loss just above 0.66 level. You enter it here, your stop loss is small, and you will get more risk to reward. So you try for the 1:3 or 1:4. Don't try for 1:2. Go for the 1:3 and 1:4, because your tight stop loss you will hit multiple times, but that will cover based on your, because you will have more reward, that will get cover, and you will have smaller losses but bigger reward. Got it what I'm trying to say? But then your win rate will go down, but your profit will be remain same or maybe more, I would say. Got this point? Hello?
No, bro, no, actually, I didn't get. Can you explain one more time?
You didn't get. Okay. So what I
Yeah,
explained previously, you enter at the 0.618 and your stop loss must be above 78.6, right?
yeah, yes.
Okay. 0.786. So that is what I explained. What I said, if you don't mind losing multiple times, then what you can do, you can keep your stop loss tight and keep a stop loss just below 0.66, and try to go for 1:3 and 1:4 rather than going for 1:2. Then what will happen? You will get more hit. Your stop loss let's say with previous system you might have hitted, let's say 4 to 5 stop loss, but with this system you might get 8 to 9 stop loss, but whenever you're winning you go for 1:4. In that case what will happen, you will have smaller losses, but whenever you are winning, you are going for 1:4 and you are winning big. And in that way, I think you can gain more, but only for those who doesn't mind hitting a multiple stop loss. Got it?
Yeah, got it.
And try to see the confluence around this level. So this is simple system you follow, and let me know the result.
Hi, can I ask a question?
Yes, of course.
See, the last Fibonacci retracement that you draw was like from 1.58 to 0.9, right? But how did you choose that swing?
Yeah, because
If I usually draw Fibonacci retracement, but if I was drawing the Fibonacci, I would have chosen the swing from 1.7 or from that higher one, the longer
see,
Fibonacci tool.
the idea is, okay, the idea is you choose the latest swing from where the downtrend started. Okay, this one and this one. Okay, let's say prices comes here and prices didn't get the rejection here. Okay, prices goes up. Okay, in that case, I will simply move from this point to this point. Okay, and then if we get a rejection here, this might be my second trade. So my first trade would be around this level. My stop loss would be here. So this is one trade. The another trade can be this level and this one, based on whether you are using 78.6 or this one, and then 1:2 or 1:4. Okay. So idea is this swing point is a major, because from this swing point we got a flush in the price, or maybe, or we can say we made a lower low, and from that swing point we must consider the Fibonacci from this. If we didn't get any rejection here, then we consider the next swing point, unless and until we don't go for the higher and higher low. And if we go for the higher and higher low, let's say prices went like this. Okay, it went like this and prices started making higher high. Now you switch your bias to bullish and you draw the fib level from low to high and look for the buying opportunity at 61.8. Got it?
Okay, so where is that invalidation came into game in this chart?
In this chart, your invalidation is, you have a fixed invalidation. You have a invalidation at 78.6. Okay, that is fixed. So if you try to buy here, your invalidation must just above 78.6. We don't wait, or uh, you don't allow your stop loss to go beyond this point. So this must be your stop loss, and your risk to reward must be 1:2. So here is the trade. Okay. So at
Okay,
any
so
point of time, if you are taking a trade, your stop loss must be around 78.6. If it would have got hit, no problem. Look for the another trade with another idea.
okay, so when should I start to long?
You should start to long when, so with this price action, okay, with this price action, tell me where is the, from where the downtrend started. I mean, this is the swing point, right? On a break of this swing point, we can say that the trend has changed from downtrend to uptrend, right? So unless and until this point doesn't break, we are in downtrend and we must look for the short opportunity. If you break this point, then you look for the long opportunity.
Oh, okay. So something like swing failure, SFP, right?
You follow only one system, SFP and all don't follow.
Oh, okay. Okay, thank you.
So what I'm trying to say, so see, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower low, lower high. Now the trend will continue. We don't know when the trend will change. Trend will change only when this point will break. Okay. If we start making the lower low, you know the Dow theory, how it works, the higher
Uh,
and higher low concept. So
yeah.
unless and until we don't break this level, you don't consider this point as a higher low. Okay. So let's say we are here now. You don't consider this point as a higher low. You must consider this point as a higher low. And when prices break this point and made a lower low, then you consider this point as your new swing point.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
Okay, that
if
was
you find
yes,
where is the, yes, someone is talking.
that was a previous resistance, right? 1.5790.
Yes.
No, so bro, you told now we have to consider that point because that is the resistance earlier happened. 1.5790 already drawn. Might weekly key or something. I don't know.
Yeah, this, unless and until we don't break this point, we
Oh.
are in a downtrend. That is what I'm trying to say.
Okay. Okay.
So unless and until we don't break this point, then we must look for the short opportunity. And let's say if we made the lower low here, okay, and then our swing point switches from this point to this point, okay,
Okay.
then let's say prices is like here and we went like this, okay, then you look for the long opportunity because this pivot broke and we are making now higher high, and then you look for the 61.8. Got it? Unless and until we don't break this level, we consider the previous pivot as a higher low or lower low. You do one thing. You started doing this method. You share your chart in the group, and I will tell you whether it's wrong or right, or whether you're following correctly or not. Ready to do for the next month?
Yes, yes. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So though you are not using any trend line, no indicator, nothing, even RSI,
No.
SMA.
Only we follow only one system. Okay.
And one more thing, I took a trade, even if it is not hitting my stop loss also, I'm not getting that TP also, just accumulating. How can I find if it's a dispersion is going to happen or if it is going for uptrend, like technical? Okay, I don't want to, okay, let me lose or profit. I don't want to look at that. How can we find that?
See what prices can do. Here it might do. I mean, it can do like this. Okay. But your thing is your bias. What is your bias here? Now it's a downtrend. We are not making anything. Okay. Then you look for the short opportunities only. Okay. You don't look for the long opportunity. That is a thesis behind it. And
Yeah,
if
distribution
if
should happen.
if your target profit is not getting hit after, let's say, 2 days, 3 days, then you simply keep your stop loss at the break even, take profit one, and then wait for stop loss getting hit. You can do that one. But for the beginner level, what I can suggest, you simply follow one system with strict stop loss and with 2R or 3R, whatever your target is. That's it. Don't try to complicate your system in the beginning. And what you can do after 1 month, let's say you're getting slowly improving, you are getting profit. Now, thing is, you maintain your journal, see what is happening, where you can improve, and where you can tweak your system. And based on that, you can tweak some variable to see whether you are getting improvement or not. For that, you have to have your data for each trade, whether it's profitable, whether you are getting profit or whether you're getting loss, what are the things you did, that you maintain using your journal. And next thing, you follow one system for 1 month, then see whether you are profitable or not. After that, you try to tweak your system. What you are doing now, you are trying to find multiple things like whether a fair value gap is there, whether EMA is there, whether a Bollinger Band is there. There are thousands of methods on which you can trade, but you want to be consistent. How you can be consistent? You follow only one system with certain set of rule. You now have your buy and sell criteria. You know your stop loss. You know your profit target. You just chill. You keep your target open. That's it. You don't need to worry about anything. You don't have any fear whether I'm getting wrong, right, anything. You right now, what you are doing, you are constantly getting fear whether my stop loss is getting hit or not, what will happen, whether I'm wrong or whether I'm right, what will happen whether I'm wrong or not, whether my stop loss is getting hit, am I feeling bad? All these questions, I think for the long term, it will not sustainable. You have to follow system. Unless and until you don't follow system, you will get this kind of question. Whether prices will go up, whether prices will go down, whether prices will consolidate, you don't know, or any trader don't know what is going to happen. But you know that after, let's say, 20 trade, 30 trade, you will you will get profit, let's say, for 8 times or 10 times, and out of 8 or 9 times you are getting most of your profit, and as my losers are very minimum, you will be profitable. That's the trick here. You think about the 20 or 30 trade, you don't think about the individual trade. That's the trick here.
Okay.
Yeah. Follow the system which I told you, and if you don't show the data, I will consider that you are not following, and it's your I mean, you can follow any other system. Let's say another person was saying fair value gap, right? You trade fair value gap. You first write down what you want to trade, how you're gonna trade, and then based on that rule set, you follow that system. But for the beginner, I gave you one system. You follow that system and let me know after 1 month whether you are getting profitable or not. That's it.
Also, I have another doubt.
Yes.
Like there will be multiple coins that might be testing the 61.8 level. Some might be consolidating on that level, but some coins will be having that momentum to go further downside or further upside. But if we are taking the trade on the wrong coin, it will also result in a bad trade, right? So how can we include this momentum analysis
No, that
also?
is what we are trying to do. Like we are going with the trend. Now the thing is, this is already downtrend. Yeah, we are not trading against the trend. So even if prices goes here, this is the level we want to make the trade. And if it goes against you, it's fine.
Okay.
Yeah.
So just following the trend is enough for momentum also, right? No need to look for volume or something like that.
No, but
Okay.
yeah, let's say don't use this for pump and up coin basically, but use for the good coins like first 50 coins by market cap. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. I think that's it from my side. The position size are quite important. You follow the position sizing. Okay.
So one more question.
Yeah.
If I'm taking any coin like Sol, top 10 coins, BNB, or any, should we consider the BTC or some news or something?
No.
No, nothing. No?
No, you just follow one system. That's it.
Okay. But last time I longed Sol and BTC I shorted. Then you told BTC is better because Sol versus BTC was it's going down. That I didn't use. I always use it to trade with
See,
the
I'm trying to
USD.
tell you how to trade. I mean, there are multiple factors which you can consider, but for simplicity and for your consistency, I'm telling you, don't look for anything. Just look for this one. So
Okay.
for my bias for the Solana, let's say this is a huge impulse and this is a consolidate. Okay.
Hmm.
Now you look for the short. Okay, let's say prices does like this. Okay, prices, let's say from here, prices went up. Okay, and prices slowly moving like this. Now scenario got changed, right? Now we have a we broke this trend. on a 1 hour, we made a higher high. Now you look for the long opportunity and see this price, whether it's moving slowly and it's not moving aggressively, then you buy it. Okay.
Okay.
See where is the trend, where is the impulse. That's the trick. Whether we are making higher high and low. Now this one, you can clearly see it here, right? Here it's uptrend followed by the retracement.
Okay, this one now it made high and it failed to meet again higher low, right? So we should have look for short, right? This one, the same chart you are sharing. What you draw now? It made a higher high, higher low. Then it failed to make higher high and higher low, na?
See. From here, let's draw it. From here, let's do high,
Ah.
high, 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 high.
It failed to make higher, right?
Huh? This one you mentioned. This point.
No, this trend is higher high, higher low, higher
Yeah,
high,
this
higher
trend
low.
is higher high, higher low. You look for the long opportunity. Right?
So that trend is changed.
Where the trend got changed?
Oh, here it didn't make higher high or higher low, na?
Huh?
It is changed, right? Here, how can I say that? Just little bit left side, 21 March.
This one.
I think he's saying about
So
the 20th. If you
Jit
go,
bhai,
there is a low, right?
Huh?
20th date, 20th date. Go right, go right, go right.
so Jit bhai, he is talking about the last higher high on the higher time frame. I mean, 159 area. So he got doubt
One.
like whether, yeah, no, yeah. Go right side, go right side. On the last higher low,
Yeah,
that big
that.
higher low. Yeah, that one.
Uh-huh.
So he got confused it should not again move to higher area because it is like consolidating. But Anandu just
Yeah,
not
I
that.
mean, ideally,
Yeah.
yeah, I got it, what you're trying to say. Here is the,
Okay.
and from here the trend got changed, right? That is what you're trying to say. Right?
Yeah, correct.
And then you look for the short opportunity here. Is it? Yeah. This is also
What
valid,
I'm
right?
asking, it's already made a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Then it failed to make higher high and higher low. It went to now what you draw now, that's zero. It
No,
went.
bro. No,
So
you
from that,
see, this is from this level, okay, from here, from this point, okay, this high broke, okay, it made a new high. So this level is important and it broke this level. I agree, okay, and you could have taken the short also here. So you could have taken the, based on fib level, your criteria, you could have taken the short here. Here is the your trade and you could have got 1:2. Okay. This is one trade completed, but then again, what happened? It failed to make lower low from this point, right? It made a lower high, I mean higher low, and it made the higher high, right?
yeah.
From this point, you look for the long again. Here we didn't get chance. Here we didn't get chance. So unless and until we don't break this level, now we got broke below this level. Okay, now check the trend. From here to here, I will look for the short opportunity. Here we got a short opportunity here. Stop loss here, 1:2. Okay, this trade completed. Then another from here to here. From here to here. Got the rejection here. Short here. Stop loss here, 1:2. 1:2. Completed. Okay. Now see. From here to here. This is another trade. Short up, 1:2. Completed. Yeah. Now our bias is still short. Okay. Unless and until we don't break this pivot, we broke the pivot. Okay. Now we broke the pivot. I would have taken the long here. I would have taken the long here, and my stop loss might be hitting now. I don't know whether it will hit or not, but if it would have hit, no problem. Then you simply wait for the next opportunity to comes. Okay. Now let's say after your stop loss get hit, prices do like this, again made a lower low, then your bias will switch from long to short again. Yeah. How many trades did I give you? Lot of, right? With this, with simple analysis.
Yeah, yes.
Yeah. By explaining just, I gave you like, let's say here 4 to 5 trade, and we got hitted only one time. One time is fine, or 2 time is fine. Not to worry. Or even 50% is also fine. Okay. I am tired now. I need to go.
Okay.
So how you choose the coins? And
Huh?
like sometimes I also to take hotel, loom, randomly only, just
See,
like
let's say you want to go to, okay. Now let's say RD. Okay. This is used downtrend. Yeah. Now simply draw the fib. Watch this coin. Wait for the bounce. Okay. Let's say we get a bounce. Wait for the 61.8. Set up alert. And then when alert get hit, simply execute the trade. You don't need to look anything. Okay. Search. I mean, you
it
can.
will reach 61.8, then we will go for short again.
Sorry. Yes, of course. It's a downtrend, right?
Yeah.
Similarly, for the uptrend, you go for the long. Okay. Let's say I want to trade really lower time frame. Okay. I have a lot of time, and then now my 1 hour bias is short. Okay. Now I'll go for the 5 minute. Okay. Now where can be my trade? So I will draw fib from here to here, or I don't know whether this is a pivot from which we can hold or not. I need to wait till the price comes here. Unless and until price doesn't come here, I wait. And if it get here, my stop loss would be here. My stop loss is here. I'm aiming for 1:2. This is 5 minute time frame based on the 1 hour downtrend. I want to enter. Okay. Let's say I go for 1 minute. 1 minute again same. Let's go for the low volatile coin. Okay, just a minute. Maybe Bitcoin. Okay, Bitcoin. Bitcoin is in 1 hour downtrend. Are you agree? I wanted to go short. Where I can go short?
That last pullback downside. 61 area.
Okay, so let's say this from here we got a downtrend. Okay, no. So I wait for the prices to come here. If it comes here, I will short on a 5-minute time frame. Okay. But for you guys, only stick with 1 hour. If you want to day trade, you can switch to the 15-minute or 5-minute based on what I explained. But for the 15-minute and 5-minute, you look for the higher high and higher low on 1 hour. You don't look for the higher high, higher low on the 15-minute or 5-minute. That will improve your performance. Got it?
Yeah, got it. Got it.
Okay. Okay, bro. I need to go. See you. I hope you follow the system. If you don't follow, it's your loss. I don't know. Or maybe you can follow any other system. I don't care. Just follow risk management rule and follow one system. That's it. What I'm trying to say.
Thank you.
Yeah, but this is a really high probability method, which I am using daily, and you can also use.
Thank you.
Yeah, yeah, good, good.
Thank you, Sujit. Bye.
Okay,
Have a good
bye-bye.
Thanks a
Bye
lot.
bye. Take care. Good night. Have a
Bye.
good night.
Bye.
Very good. Bye, Sudhir.
Bye.
Bye, bro. Good night. Take
Good
care.
night.